And good evening, Southeast Texas. We are heading into this huge holiday week with many of us gearing to travel to spend time with friends and family, all while COVID cases have started surging yet again.
And now the good news is that Southeast Texas has yet to see some of the same trends as larger metro areas like Dallas and Houston. But our cases are rising slightly. Today alone, Beaumont reported 74 new cases. Now, to put that in perspective, last Monday, we only had 18. Hospitalizations, thankfully, are remaining steady with low numbers.
In Harris County, a man in his 50s did die today from the Omicron variant. It's the first death in our region linked to the fast-spreading variant. The man was not vaccinated and he had underlying medical conditions, but he did receive the Regeneron treatment. Meanwhile, today, the U.S. federal health officials said that Omicron now accounts for an estimated 73% of the new infections around the country in the past week.
And healthcare workers across the Texas are bracing for yet another spike in hospitalizations. This new threat comes as we're heading into year 3 of the pandemic.
Yeah, your heart goes out to all of the healthcare workers who say they feel like they just can't catch a break. Tonight, Michelle Choi has more on the COVID whiplash that they're feeling.
The new variant may be milder than Delta for those who've been vaccinated, but it's more contagious, which is why experts are concerned. And talk about rapid growth, Houston Methodist says Omicron now makes up 82% of its new cases. It took less than 3 weeks for that to happen versus Delta, which took nearly 3 months to reach that point. As our frontline workers brace for yet another uptick in hospitalizations, when asked how they're handling it all, they say they're drained mentally and emotionally.
The staff is truly exhausted because we've been through this. And even though we are getting better at treating COVID and we understand the illness much better than what we did 2 years ago, I mean, people are still scared. People are tired.
To protect yourself, health officials continue to urge folks to get vaccinated, including getting the booster shot. And with Christmas and the New Year just days away, even if you had all your shots, if you plan on traveling, they say to mask up in public spaces like airports for added protection.